Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable all message notification in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Advanced. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now click on notification. Here you can see all messages notification. If you want to enable this, you just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to enable all message notification in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.